Imagine a world where every choice you made, every path you didn't take, every decision, big or small, spun off into another version of reality, a different you, living a different life. In this universe, you may be watching this video, but in another, who knows? Maybe you're not even here at all. Welcome to the mystery of parallel universes. This is one of science's most mind-bending questions. Is there a reality beyond our own, hidden in plain sight? Are there parallel universes out there, universes where anything is possible? Let's begin with a strange idea from the world of quantum mechanics, a theory so bewildering it feels like science fiction. Imagine you're standing in front of two doors. In our world, you make a choice. But what if, in another reality, you took the other door? According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every time a decision is made, the universe splits. One universe continues as though you took door A, while another splits off where you chose door B. Each possibility, each quantum decision, creates a new parallel universe. This could mean that there are infinite copies of you, existing in different realities where each choice plays out. Think about it. An endless number of yous, living out every possible path you didn't take. A life where you became a scientist. Another where you chose art. A world where you made that phone call that changed everything. Or maybe one where you didn't. But it doesn't stop at choices you make. Scientists suggest it's happening at a quantum level, meaning particles, the building blocks of everything we know, are constantly in a state of what if. And for every what if, a new universe emerges. Let's take it a step further. What if our universe, our familiar cosmos with stars, planets, and galaxies, wasn't the only one? The idea of a multiverse suggests there are countless other universes existing alongside ours, each with its own set of laws, conditions, and maybe even life. Picture our universe as a bubble. Now imagine there are billions, trillions, or even infinite bubbles, each one a separate universe with its own unique reality. Some may be similar to ours. Some may be utterly alien, with different physics where light might bend backward or time moves in loops. Here's a mind-bending thought. If there really are infinite universes, then somewhere out there, there's one just like this, where you're watching this video, except maybe the sky is green. Or maybe you were never born in this alternate universe, or perhaps you live in a society where dinosaurs still roam the earth. The possibilities are endless. It sounds like a fantasy. But could there be a way to prove that parallel universes exist? Scientists have long pondered the question, wondering if our universe has any hidden connections to others. One curious hint comes from studying the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. There are strange cold spots and unexplained patterns that scientists can't quite explain. Some suggest that these could be scars, evidence that our universe has brushed up against another one in the past. And what about déjà vu? Or the strange feeling of experiencing a moment you know has happened before? Could these be hints of us glimpsing another version of ourselves? Of overlapping universes, slipping in and out of alignment for just a fraction of a second? We've been fascinated by the idea of parallel universes in books, movies, and shows. From alternate realities where we're heroes to worlds where everything familiar feels slightly off. These stories speak to a deep-rooted curiosity we have about life's infinite possibilities, about the lives we could have led if we had just turned left instead of right. But what if it's more than fiction? What if these stories echo a deeper truth, a truth we can't yet prove but can almost feel? Imagine what it would mean if we could finally prove the existence of parallel universes. Would it change how we live our lives? Would knowing that each choice spawns a new reality make us bolder, more fearless? If every possibility exists somewhere, then life becomes a story of infinite potential. Our universe becomes a single page in a book with endless chapters. Parallel universes could redefine what it means to be human, to be mortal, perhaps even to be free. For now, parallel universes remain a theory, a beautiful possibility. But scientists aren't giving up. With projects like the Large Hadron Collider, we're exploring the tiniest building blocks of matter, hoping to find hints of dimensions beyond our own. And then there's quantum computing, a technology so advanced it could help us understand the nature of parallel universes. Imagine if we could access these realities, see our other selves, even learn from them. Would we feel awe or would it be terrifying? Would we see ourselves as gods of infinite creation, or would the reality of endless yous be too much to bear? The search for parallel universes is more than a quest for knowledge. It's a search for meaning, for understanding the very nature of existence itself. So are there parallel universes? Science can't yet say for sure. But one thing is certain. Just the possibility is enough to change the way we look at our lives. Every choice, every missed opportunity, every path taken or not taken, they're all part of a cosmic tapestry of endless realities. If we're alone, then this universe is our only home, precious beyond measure. But if we're not alone, then our existence may be one thread in a vast interconnected web of worlds. And maybe, just maybe, in another universe, another version of you is watching this, wondering the same thing. Until we have the answers, let's keep exploring. Because sometimes the journey to the unknown is as meaningful as the destination itself.